Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
We are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. If you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as we're on the journey to 10,000 subscribers. And yes, you can be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. Oh man, I am excited today about today's review. Also, you're brand new, you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. All you're going to do is hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll notify you every time we drop a brand new video. Now, before we jump into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at Pure Sneaker Cleaner. This is the top of the line sneaker cleaner in the game today. I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed. Make sure you check out my discount code. You know, all the links, all the affiliate links, everything will be in the description. Make sure you check them out. Also, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. You know, they've been taking care of us from pretty much from the beginning, man. So also their links will be in the description down below. Ooh, it's hot up here, guys. But anyway, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 3 Desertelephant. Equals Jordan with a basketball. I don't get that, but it is what it is. As for the colorway, we're gonna go with a black rush orange fossil stone. Pretty dope. Air Jordan 3 retro. Alright, guys, taking a look at the outsole. As you can see, we have a standard Air Jordan 3 outsole. The only real difference is we've never really seen the orange, or we have seen orange on the Air Jordan 3. The I forget what they call bio beige, the Justin Timberlake the Justin Timberlake collaboration. Very dope sneaker, by the way. Anyway, we got your Jordan in that rush orange. Moving up, you know, we got the standard Air Jordan 3 midsole. But as you can see, it's kind of like a cream colored off-white. It's not, it's not like that pure white on the Air Jordan 3 that we usually get. The midsole is usually pure white. But they're kind of looking for that age look, I would guess. Moving up to the collar of the shoe, as you can see, we got our perforated holes with some suede. Really nice suede, by the way, man. All right, before we skip that, we're going to take a look at the back panel. The elephant print is in a dark mocha. Really dope. I really like the colorway on this sneaker, man. All right, moving around. As you can see, we have two different types of leathers. On the upper is kind of like a tumble leather, but then what goes around the the midfoot of the shoe to the toe box, it's kind of more of like a flat leather. God forgive me, I'm sweating myself up here. All right, taking a look at the toe box, standard Air Jordan 3 toe box. Moving up, the tongue now is actually suede. It's a very nice suede. It's kind of like that. Kind of like a carpet suede, a carpet, softness. It's really nice, plush, man. As you can see, we have a orange Jumpman as well on the tongue, embroidered in there. Now it only comes with black laces, flat black laces, which I'm really not gonna argue with them with that. I think the black laces go beautifully. Also, we have a little bit of hit of orange, on the lace holes, as well as suede near the lace eyelets. Really nice. I really like this shoe, man. If you can't tell, I'm up here sweating myself so I can bring you guys the review. All right, moving to the medial side of the sneaker. You know, it's just a standard Jordan 3, man, but just the different colorways, the different textures of leather. Wow, that was freaking crazy. Guys, look at that. That's sweat, guys. That's insane. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the sneaker. Now, we can't have Nike Air all the time, which, you know, I wish we could, but it is what it is. We have the Jumpman reading Air underneath on the back heel of the shoe. Like I mentioned before, towards the collar, we have perforated holes. Also, the back of the tongue is also orange. That rush orange. As for the insole, it's pretty cool. It has a elephant times Jordan equals a guy holding a basketball. Really, really dope. Really comfortable sneaker. You know me, I love me some Air Jordan 3s, man. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 3 Desertelephant. Are you guys picking these up? Do you plan on picking these up? Let me know in the comment section because I would love to hear it. Also, guys, please don't forget to go give J&M a follow on Instagram. Check them out. They got plenty of heat. I'm sure if you've been here before, you know what I'm talking about. But guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning in so much. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we are out, guys. Peace.